Today is Saturday, November 15th, 2014. And Zachy has decided to cut Misa's hair. Okay, should we begin the haircut?
Yeah.
Okay.
So see, her hair is really long. Know that. Look, her hair is almost done. Okay. We're stopping. Only because of that. Okay. I just wanted to test you.
They're both sick today, so they're in their jammies. And Zachy has a bad cough, and he's wheezing.
I'm due to get my heel cut. Okay. And I think you're almost done, okay? This has one more bang. Can I lift this up, Misa? I think I need some spray. I'll stick some spray. Put some of this water on her hair. We'll pretend. Take this. There. Mama, when I was putting some of this water on, my hand wasn't on the blue button really hard. Can I get my water? I think her hair is almost done. Yeah. I need my water. Where's my water? Lisa, do you want me to cut your hair? Yeah. I want my water. Okay, you can. I think, but not before. When we're done with this, you can. We'll be almost done. There. We did this lap. Now we need some spray. And then we're going to be done. Now she's done getting the haircut.
Okay. Who wants to say that's a wrap?
That's a wrap. That's a wrap. That's a wrap.